Hello guys, today we're making, I call it the one of boredom, and let's just get into it. Okay. So first, you need to make this like a circle with the circle thingy. So we can use like any paper that you had. White paper is fine, but I'm gonna use my origami paper. Just like you can do anything like it. I'll just go here. Yep, and then you need like a scrap piece of paper like this. You go like this, 4, and another scrap piece of paper. These are what I did before. And just go like this and do it with the other paper. So it's like then you just cut out. I mean glue these together like this, different piece. So like you could use any glue if you have one. Like this, and you can draw anything you want. But I just draw a smiley face for you guys. Then you just get it. Yep, I think this is enough. Then let it dry. Let it dry. Now it's working. Yeah, hurry. Okay, I think that's enough. Yeah, you can use this with like your pen. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and this is very easy to make. I think you can make it by yourself. So yeah, and have a great day, and don't forget to leave a like, and there's a subscribe button down below if you're new. So see you next time. Goodbye.